Welcome back to Cooking Critters Kitchen, and today we will be making eggplant parmesan.
Mackenzie, did you know that eggplant is one of the few plants that has purple skin?
No, I didn't, but I like purple.
And you want to eat the purple skin because it has the odds of antioxidant. And make sure that a parent helps you cut up the eggplants.
Here we have breadcrumbs. This is our garlic and salt. You want to put it in there. Then we have our Parmesan cheese. We're going to dump it in our garlic bread. Then we're going to mix it.
What I have here is our eggplant wash. I'm gonna start making our eggplant wash.
Here we have our eggplant. First, we're going to take a piece of our eggplant snackers. We're going to put it in our egg wash. You can take it back up for both sides. Then we're going to take it over to our breadcrumbs. Push it in a little. Then here we have our griller. We're going to toss it in our griller. And then we're going to do.
So egg wash first?
Yeah, egg wash first.
I really like egg wash. The other day we tried it and I really liked it.
You cook our eggplant 2 to 3 minutes on each side.
Well, I'm doing really good putting these in. Oopsie, I spilled a little bit. But that's okay because you're supposed to get a little messy when you cook.
Once all of these eggplants start cooking, we will show you what it will look like. It'll look like golden brown.
Yep.
After you put it in the griller for 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay, now just wait a second.
We're gonna wait
gonna
a
just a
second.
few minutes.
So the
Your hands will get dirty.
yeah.
It's a dirty job.
Wow,
That
that
looks
smells
good.
yummy. Golden brown.
Almost there. Now there.
I'm gonna put this in after the done cooking. Okay.
Then, after we done those, we're gonna decorate them.
Yep.
With tomato and our mozzarella cheese.
Yesterday, when we tried them, it was so good. I'm not sure if Mackenzie liked them that much, but I did.
The thing I didn't like about it is that the texture was a lot spongy. It's considered a fruit, like the tomato.
Yeah, it is considered
It's
a fruit.
kind of brown.
But it is considered a fruit, and we ate it to the tomato and the potato.
Because they're both spongy.
They're both spongy, and I know
Looks like we're done, and
I know tomato and the eggplant
we're going
is
to decorate our.
you do the tomatoes, I'll do the cheese.
Okay.
So I'm gonna wait until she does the tomatoes, I'll do the cheese. Okay, she's sewing on that one. Okay. Doesn't that look yummy?
Then we're gonna put it in the oven for 350 degrees in the oven for about 20 minutes. And we just decorate it for a few minutes.
It looks yummy.
Yeah. And it's a little messy, but it does look yummy.
After we put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, the cheese will melt, the mozzarella cheese. He's gonna take it over to the oven to cook for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Make sure you have a parent to help you put it in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us at Cooking Critters Kitchen. Join us next week when we will be making zucchini boats.